For a really long time the corporates have been wrestling with an idea that could create an exceptionally reliable stage. A stage that can be instrumental in keeping the information put away as well as secure and for the most part protected from any current and likely dangers. The difficulties of the money area brought forth the ascent of blockchain technology that in a real sense rose to unmistakable quality, particularly with respect to the decentralized finance area. With the developing prevalence of bountiful resources, the creation of the Ontario network in the year 2017 by a gathering of Chinese specialists on digital forms of money has just demonstrated a gift. This wonder of ontology was delivered by the ability of two originators, Da Hongfei and Eric Zhang. Here you will get all data about Ontario, ontology price prediction and its specialized examination. The Ontology project means to go about as a bond for the fiat and computerized reality, where the trust element of the majority for the most part assumes a significant part. Assessing the benefits of the Ontology project, it incorporates an elite exhibition situated circulated character framework, disseminated information trait and coordinated effort, and conveyed methodology conventions. It mixes isolated networks, conveyed validation and consolidations, a flexible wind of calculation modules that are limited to explicit enterprises incredibly. So it arose as a crypto Goliath that delivers an immaculate and most dependable organization, a very mixed joining of a cross-chain framework, and supports as a strong crypto organization for applications across industry and all contraptions in a significant manner. All the while, it encouraged shared trust, consequently making an exceptionally cooperative and client well-disposed interface in light of profound learning for general society as well as private. Neo-wallet proprietors and supporters of the Ontario email bulletin are favored holders of Ontario somewhat. As of late there arose on-screen news blazing the organization of Ontology with AP.LLC, music streaming stage, Rocky, microworkers, Glossary, one of the top-of-the-line planting product staple internet business organizations to upgrade its applications, getting capital and foundation support from the last option. These unions explicitly qualifies various environments for become a sort of vital piece of ontology as ideal answers for DeFi, installments, and decentralization. The start of the year 2021 was very certain for Ontario as there sort of was gigantic development from $0.4 to $2.69 by May 2021. It was a development of over 500%. Financial backers and dealers began benefit booking prompting an unexpected cost fall. From $2.69, the value tumbled to 58 cents in under 2 months, or so they thought. The cost nearly returned to the level from where it began the bull run, which is genuinely critical. From that point forward, the coin has been exchanging a sideways venture with minor value rises and falls. At present, the coin is exchanging at $0.6969 with a 24 hours exchanging volume of $119,125,992. The whole crypto market is blasting, and the equivalent is seen for Ontario as a very slight cost rise. From the ongoing cost level, huge obstruction is seen at $1.04 and critical help is seen at 43 cents. The cost generally has supported this help level starting around 2021, offering a positive hint to financial backers in an unobtrusive manner. According to Bollinger Bands, the instability has expanded and the cost essentially is exchanging over the fundamentally upper band, demonstrating a hopeful viewpoint. Specialized pointers explicitly are additionally demonstrating bullish force. RSI is at 76, demonstrating profoundly bullish force, and it has crossed the overbought signal. The MACD line is additionally exchanging over the signal line, demonstrating bullish force. Generally speaking, every one of the pointers for the most part are ideal for the coin, and the ongoing cost levels are ideally suited for merchants and financial backers to gather the coin and hold the coin till the costs cross essentially the $1 mark once more. Cosmology Price Prediction 2022. Amazingly, shockingly, the start of 2021 was very beneficial and the flow cost has likewise begun recuperation amazingly. The ongoing cost is exchanging around 69 cents, and as per Ontology coin news, the cost is supposed to increment later on. By December 2022, the cryptographic money could profoundly reflect positive patterns regarding cost, and it might by and large arrive at a limit of $1.08. Metaphysics Price Prediction 2023, in spite of prevalent thinking. With an ever-increasing number of financial backers purchasing Ontology around in earlier years, it might just amount to the cost of Ontario dramatically and coordinate its blockchain on numerous applications. According to our conjectures, the mass reception will bring about a rise in cost, and according to our Ontology cost forecasts, toward the finish of 2023, it very well may be exchanging between 98 cents to $1.28. Philosophy Price Prediction 2024 to 2025. Different advancements in the Ontario innovation are normal. According to the Ontology cost forecasts, the most extreme cost is supposed to be around $1.89 constantly 2024 to 2025. Obviously, force majeure is limited. Philosophy Price Prediction 2026. According to our estimates, a destruction may be normal in the value, prompting a cost fall when contrasted with the earlier year. The Ontology cost toward the finish of 2026 may be exchanging around $1.51. Last verdict. Ontology Ontario Price Prediction. Metaphysics sort of has endured over the extreme long haul and expanded its prosperity through collusions and osmosis, banding together with names like Movie Block, a stage for conveying films in view of blockchain, and Complayer, Go With Me, and Parody Game. According to our forecasts, no big surprise, soon the Ontario cost will soar as Ontology a wise interest in 2022. Indeed, as per our cost estimate and specialized investigation, the Ontology cost will increment, and it will be a wise speculation. Presently the Ontology cost is around $0.6, yet by December 2022, it will mirror a kind of certain cost change. Is it productive to put resources into Ontology? In light of our Ontology conjecture and examination, it will be productive to generally put resources into Ontology, Ontario, for the long haul for very nearly a time of 5+ years. How would I buy Ontology coins for myself? Many web stages for exchanging digital currencies, the market especially permit venture, which generally is genuinely huge. Register yourself with your KIC accreditations and execute through any of your Master or Visa MasterCard